hope you all are doing great and welcome back to my channel. And if you are new to this channel, well, hi, my name is Antra and I'll be more than happy if you consider liking, sharing and subscribing to my channel given down below. And I think you have read by the title already कि जो आज का वीडियो है वो क्या होने वाला है. And I am super excited to kickstart this festive season and I have something really amazing to share with you all, which are the products from Plum Goodness. And if you don't know, then let me tell you that Plum Goodness is a well trusted brand and it sells products such as skincare, hair care, different variants of beauty products, makeup products and so on. And for more information, discounts and everything related to its offers and sale, you can directly head to the link which is I have mentioned on my description box given below. So yeah, without wasting any time, let's quickly hop into the video. So before moving forward, let me show you how the packaging of the Plum looks like. So this is the package I have received and it says clean, real and good by Plum. So let me just unbox it for you all and show what is it inside there. So this is the packaging, you guys. These are the products here placed and one by one I am going to show you everything. So let's starting off with the very first product, which is a must have in winters. So this is a moisturizer by Plum. This is a 50 ml bottle and this one is especially for persons with having skin texture which is oily, combination or acne prone. So let me just quickly show to you all. So this is how the packaging looks like and this one is priced at rupees 470. Let me show you its texture. So this is how it looks like and it is really gentle on applying and it is really smooth. Also this one is oil free, so you don't have to scared about the oil coming onto the face, and because of the tea tree thing, it makes it even more wonderful. Along with the bottle you will get a note written over here which says the do's and don'ts. So yeah, this is I think a really good thing because usually the children over 15 or under 15 are scared on their skin like what to apply, so this thing will help. Up next on the list is this aloe vera for all skin and hair types. So these are the fragrance free thing with no extra paraben and artificial color, and this one is priced at rupees 350 and I am so sure this aloe vera gel is best, like as far as I have used. I think jo iska consistency hai, it is amazing. Let me show you. So this is how its consistency, and oh my god, this aren't that the thick jelly ones. These are really obviously gel based but feels like it is water based formula. It is so light on applying. So yeah, this is a must buy product. Up next on the list is the product which I am super excited to use. So this is a Plum Kajal. I don't know if you guys know it or not, but Plum Kajal are really hyped about its texture and the long lasting thing and smudge proof thing which has in this. So I am using this Plum Kajal for the very first time and yeah, I was super excited to try this on. So this is how the packaging looks like and this one is priced at rupees 495. So let me just unwrap it. Can we just take a moment and appreciate its packaging? It looks super good, like everything of this box is amazing. But let's come into the final thing, which is a kajal. Let's try this on and look if it actually works or not. I think these are the non-retraceable one, but I think I can sharpen it. As far as I know, I think I can sharpen it. So let's just try it on. I'm showing it to you all in front of camera so that you can look kitna intense hai ye aur kitne stroke mein you will get a fine intense kohl rimmed eyes. And just I want to tight line my upper lid as well. Actually I shot this but I forgot to turn on my video, सो आपको लग रहा है कि मैंने लगाया हुआ है, बट मैं वीडियो ऑन करना भूल गई थी, तो दैट्स व्हाई आई एम डूइंग इट फॉर द सेकंड टाइम. लेट्स डू ऑन दिस आई एज वेल. Festive and cold rimmed eyes are one of my most favorite. So what I usually do is I'm not going to go inside, like inside of my eyelids. Just outer corner पे ही कर रही हूँ मैं इसको. And I think it does amazing. So for making it a little more intense, I am going to kind of wing it out, because I like my cold rimmed eyes to be even more extra than usual. Find a kajal which can do both, as a liner and as a kajal both. Okay, so as I have applied on my eyes, I just want to show you it on back of my hands कि इसका swatch जो एक stroke का है वो कैसे लगता है. So this is the stroke. I have glided my hand really smoothly और एक stroke में ही काफ़ी intense है. So thumbs up for this as well. Moving on forward, up next on the list is this Plum Green Tea Pore Cleanser Face Wash. This one is the last but not the least. So this is how the packaging looks like, and this one is priced at rupees 345 only. So let me just quickly show you how it looks like. So this comes in a tube like this, and this one is again for oily to combination to acne prone skin. And let me show you how the consistency looks like. Talking about its fragrance is just amazing. Amongst everything, I think every product are fragranceless, but this one especially is one of my favorite because of its fragrance thing. So this is how the consistency looks like, and you can see some micro particle over here, the green thing. I don't know if it is visible to you all or not. Okay, I am talking about this fine particles of green, something like green over here. Also, this is free from parabens, sulfates, SLS, and any artificial coloring. So yeah, this is how it looks like. So yeah, this was all for today. Wrapping up the video over here. I hope you guys enjoyed watching, and if you did, you know the drill, right? Do not forget to hit the bell icon and subscribe to my channel, so whenever I upload any new video, you guys will be notified. Also, for knowing more details about Plum Goodness, I have mentioned their website on my description box. Do not forget to check that out. And for knowing more about it's offer, Diwali offer or discount or anything, you can definitely visit their website. So yeah, signing off. Bye bye.